Welcome to Product and Process Design. And in this module, I'm going to be showing you how to make a sketch dynamic. You're going to show motion. Well, here are a few cartoons here, just showing different types of motion. Out here, you can see that somebody is throwing and showing the steps, arms behind, and then arm is moving. You see all these dotted lines up here and a shadow line through time. You see that it's going this way, and a line here showing the paper aircraft flying off. Or in this case, showing arrow. So using arrows can be very illustrative. And in this case, showing different positions or steps of the tail of a lizard or a toy, whatever it may be. So using arrows and other symbols, you can thicken them. You can show different types of motion directions, and also you can illustrate it with some other symbols and annotations around. For instance, drawing sounds or radio waves. You can do a lot of these things. So as an example, I would like you to practice drawing Jack in the Box, and in doing so, I want you to illustrate its motion through time. You can pretty much practice all the things that we have talked about: the Jack, the box, Jack coming out of the box, other types of motion that you might have to trigger that, and yourself or a child doing it. Take a few minutes, do it, and then come back. I would also like you to practice generating concepts. Be expressive, quick, simple lines. Don't worry about mistakes. Use line weights. Expand your sketch using context, motion, and annotations. Here's the topic. You can maybe sketch a toy that entertains you by making other people bored. Well, maybe that's not a best example for you to draw, but I want you to try to draw something, sketch something which is illustrative of a particular concept that you want to show. Thank you.